Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Windows 11 settings is not opening on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to update Windows 11. Now to update Windows 11, try keyboard shortcut to open Windows settings. If not opening using the shortcut, you can skip this step. So on your keyboard you can press Windows plus I on the keyboard to open settings, and then you can go to Windows Update and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer and then you can check. If Windows plus I is not working, follow the next step. Next step is to run this DISM and SFC command. So press Ctrl Shift Escape on the keyboard. So on your keyboard press this Ctrl Shift and Escape key, which will open this task manager. Once the task manager is open, now click on run new task over here. Type in CMD in Windows search box and then put a check on create this task with administrative privileges. Make sure that you put a check over here and type in CMD. This will open command prompt, and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window. And once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window. And once the third scan is complete, once the third scan is 100% complete, then you have to restart your computer. You can press Ctrl+Alt+Delete and then you will see the shutdown option. Control Alt Delete plus Alt plus Delete. When you press this, you will see the lock screen. From there you can shut down your computer and then, or you can restart your computer. Now all these commands are provided in the video description. Still not working, press Ctrl Shift Escape on the keyboard once again. Ctrl Shift Escape. Again, go to run new task and over here type in PowerShell, and then put a check on create this task with administrative privileges. Make sure that you put a check over here PowerShell and then click on OK. Now you copy the first command. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy it, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. This will install all the Windows default apps, and during this process if you see errors like this, just ignore it. Let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see everything red, and then you can restart your computer and then check. If that does not work, you can even run this command, copy this command. Again, you have to press this Ctrl Shift Escape on the keyboard. Again, run new task PowerShell, put a check over here and then OK, and then copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter key. Again, once this is done, now you can check. You can restart your computer. You can press Ctrl+Alt and then restart your computer. Ctrl+Alt+Delete and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. If you're not able to open any browser, if everything is great like frozen over here, the taskbar is not working, in that case you can press Windows plus R on the keyboard. Press Windows plus R and then over here you can type in Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So if you copy this Microsoft-Edge, this command is provided in the video description, and then click on OK. This will open Microsoft Edge, or you can even open like Chrome. You can type in Chrome over here and then click on Chrome. This will open Chrome browser if you have Chrome browser installed, and then you can open this link in a browser and then it will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. If there is any update, you will see install button or update option. You can update it and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. You can use If this is not working, you can use media creation tool. The same way Windows plus R, Microsoft, you can open Microsoft Edge in the run box, you can type in, or Chrome, and then once it will take you to Microsoft website, the same website, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then run this exe file. And then you have to click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. To go to desktop, you can just press Windows plus D, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can restart your computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to open Windows settings successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.